Ever feel like you're piloting a tank through rush hour traffic? You're sitting in your $90,000 pickup truck, king of the asphalt. But then, a quiet question creeps in. What is this throne actually costing you? Not just the payment, the real price tag of your automotive identity. Let's be brutally honest. That truck bed, its main cargo is air and ambition. The only terrain it conquers is the pothole in the Starbucks drive-thru. You bought a symbol of rugged independence, but you've actually chained yourself to the most predictable, expensive script in modern masculinity. We've been sold a lie that says capability is measured in horsepower, masculinity in monthly payments, and status in ground clearance. Today, we're doing a financial autopsy on the pavement princess phenomenon. We're going to expose the catastrophic math that makes leasing a Lamborghini look almost sensible. First, the sticker shock isn't the end. It's just the opening act. $70,000, $80,000, $90,000 for a vehicle. We've normalized numbers that should cause a cardiac event. But the dealership has a magic trick, the monthly payment mirage. Just $1,247 for 84 months, they say. Sounds almost human, right? Wrong. You've just signed a 7-year financial sentence. Now, let's unveil the hidden inmates in your budget prison. Fuel, an extra $2,000 a year versus a sedan. Insurance, plus $80 per month. You're insuring a luxury asset, not a workhorse. Tires, a $2,000 set every few years. Maintenance, registration, taxes. The almost manageable $1,247 quietly morphs into a $1,700 plus monthly monster. That's a second rent payment. But the true crime isn't the outflow. It's what you're murdering in its prime, your future. That $879 monthly difference between a truck and a sensible car. Over 7 years, that's $73,836 set on fire. If invested, it becomes $95,000. Let that sink in. You're literally trading a future lake house for the feeling of being able to tow a boat. This isn't a car loan. It's a life loan. It's the vacation you never take, the emergency fund that never grows, the house you can't qualify for because your debt-to-income ratio is shredded. It's the career risk you can't afford, and the quiet resentment in your relationship. You bought a symbol of freedom, but installed a financial cage. And here's the cruelest joke. Hedonic adaptation, that new truck high, evaporates in months. Soon, it's just your car. But the payment is forever. You traded a temporary ego boost for permanent financial anxiety. So what's the escape route? You have to reject the script. The real power move isn't a bigger truck. It's a smaller payment. Imagine driving a used, reliable sedan. Your total transport cost, maybe $850 a month. The $879 you save each month isn't just money, it's options, it's security, it's sleeping through the night. When your friend rolls up in his gleaming new Tundra, smile. You hold a secret he doesn't, financial clarity. You're not driving a costume, you're driving a decision to build wealth instead of just looking wealthy. A decision where your identity isn't forged in a factory, but built in your bank account and your peace of mind.